removed. So one day if you have sneezing, cough, cold, don't worry for that. Body is doing the repairing work, repairing and maintenance. But we don't have time. Even with 1 or 2 sneezing, we start immediately taking allergy tablets and many other things. And whatever is not good for our body, we are again injecting the same things in our body by antibiotics. See, 1 or 2 days is okay. If it remains for a longer time, then yes, then we require a medicine. Or we can take herbal medicine like TANVI for that purpose. So then it will subside instantly also, but without any side effects. Now, how this kapha, vata, pitta, how to understand? See, when cough is more, body throws away. Again we put in the body. See, when cough is more, it comes out. So we have to understand that when frequently we have a cough problem, means cough is more in our body. So what to do for cough? The best solution for cough is take honey with lukewarm water. It's the best medication to control your cough. Second thing, if you have more cough problem, don't eat fruits after your meals. Eat your fruits on empty stomach.